Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by plotting the skeleton. Draw the wrist line, a rectangle for the palm, and 3 guidelines for fingers. This sets scale and tilt quickly. Once done, place knuckle points as a subtle arc so fingers read as a unit. Make sure the thumb hinge sits lower and angled about 45 degrees. Use 1/2 finger length markers to check proportions. You're creating a roadmap so later contours fall into place easily, not guessing each joint location. You now shift from lines to volumes. Wrap cylinders around each finger guide and indicate the palm as 3 planes: the heel, central mound, and finger base, so light and shadow will make sense. Once the cylinders sit right, add subtle taper toward the fingertips and note joint bulges where knuckles protrude. Make sure the index is roughly the middle finger minus 1/2 unit and the ring slips slightly shorter. This is where believable mass and gesture emerge, so refine edges and overlaps carefully. You finish by refining contours. Carve knuckle creases, indicate nails lightly, and suggest tendons with thin strokes so the hand reads alive. Once done, check the silhouette. Simplify any noisy details so the gesture reads from a distance. Make sure fingers overlap convincingly and shadows follow the plane shifts. If things look off, try rotating the wrist or flipping the drawing to see proportion errors. This simple troubleshooting reveals foreshortening issues and helps you correct finger length.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.